In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subscribe to Kling AI Premium. First, open your browser and go to the Kling AI app. When the page loads, head to the top right corner and click the profile icon. If you aren't already signed in, the site may prompt you to log in before continuing. Inside your profile area, look for the option labeled Upgrade for monthly credits and click it. This takes you to the membership section where you can compare what you get with a paid plan. Next, click Plans to view all available options. At the top of the page, use the monthly and yearly toggle to switch billing cycles and see how pricing changes. Yearly plans often include a better overall rate, while monthly gives you more flexibility. Choose whichever matches your budget and timeline. Now, review the plan tiers. Basic is a good entry point if you just need a smaller pool of credits. Standard builds on that with more usage. Pro is designed for heavier creative workloads. Premier steps it up again for frequent generation and larger projects. And Ultra offers the highest limits for power users who don't want to worry about running out. The key idea is simple. As you move up, you get more credits and capacity. Once you know which tier you want, find the Subscribe Special Offer button on that plan and select it. That will open a secure checkout page. Start by entering your email. Make sure you use an address you can access easily, since receipts and account notices will go there. Choose your payment method, then enter your card details carefully, including the number, expiration date, and security code. Type the cardholder name exactly as it appears on the card to avoid verification issues. From the drop-down, select your country or region so pricing and taxes are calculated correctly. Before you finish, take a moment to review the summary on the page. Confirm the plan name, the billing period you selected, and the total amount due. When everything looks right, click subscribe to complete your purchase. After a brief moment while the payment processes, your account will be upgraded to Kling AI Premium. You can head back to your profile to see your active plan, and your new credits will be available for use in your projects right away. And that's all there is to it. Quick, clear, and ready to go.